Now, Wadkin was pretty smart. They made woodworking machinery to engineering levels. They actually thought about how to lubricate a table saw, which most modern saws just have all their works not encased in oil baths. But I mean, this is ridiculous construction, right? So you'll notice on this, we do use oil, but it goes to an oil bath, and that goes for the gear that just does the tilting of the arbor. Even this rise and fall system goes to a big, huge oil bath for the rise and fall, and it can be greased and purged of grease. Well, because it's actually lifting quite a bit of iron. The whole casement pivots out, and there's an oil here for, this has even got a thrust bearing. All of that, it never sees sawdust. Like even the pivoting point here has a little oil cap that never sees sawdust, so it never cakes. So, I mean, I think that's great. Now, what's interesting is 1/2 a turn on this is exactly 2 degrees. So you can use the spokes as divisions, almost like a vernier gauge. So that kind of stuff is built right into this saw, which is amazing. There's even a little hole right here in the side to put a grease gun to grease the motor bearings, which are open machine bronze cage self-aligning. It's an amazing lubrication system, but I don't think saws are done that way today, so I wouldn't recommend using oil for those.